Start by spreading your crackers on a baking sheet. Now in a bowl, mix a half cup of canola oil, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 packet of ranch dressing seasoning, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix that all together. Now use half of the flavor mixture to drizzle over the crackers. Flip all of the crackers over to the other side. And finally, drizzle the remainder of the flavor mixture onto the other side of the crackers. Enjoy your spicy ranch crackers. You can store them in a bag to keep them fresh.